Oftentimes, Hubble datasets only have two filters. In this case, when there are only two, a synthetic green channel can be created. Using the example of NGC 6240, I will cover how to create a synthetic green channel in Photoshop CC. Using the Hubble Legacy Archive and using the dataset for HST 10592, there are only the two filters, 435 and 814. Download these two files using the FITS Science link and open up Photoshop after you have converted them from a FITS file into a TIFF file using FITS Liberator. Then go to File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack, and load up the two images. I will rename my file names. For red, that was filter 814, and blue was filter 435. After making any levels adjustments that you would like, go ahead and select Image, Mode, and RGB Color to colorize these images. Using the Layer Colorization method, double-click on the layer, unselect green and red to get the blue, and do the same for red, unselecting green and blue to get red. The image automatically combines. Make sure to unselect the two images by simply clicking anywhere below them, then go to Adjustments, select Channel Mixer by selecting this icon here. For output channel, change it to green. Where green is 100, change it to 0, change red to 50, and blue to 50. The image is automatically combined to create the red, green, and blue. You can flatten the image and check on the colors under the Channels tab by unselecting the eyes to view the different layers. Here was the original blue, here was the original red, and now you can see that this green was created from 50% of the red and 50% of the blue to create a full color image. And from here, further processing enhancements can be made to this image.